everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream finale. Kind of sad about this one too. This is a sad month for me because all of the projects that I've been working on all year are coming to an end, and I've really enjoyed them all so much. This one was created by Steph Lyons and Delin. They're going to be listed down below, of course, along with everyone else that has joined in. Pretty darn sure this is coming back next year, even though Delin is having a baby and we're not sure if she's going to be on board with actually doing it next year or not. I'm pretty sure Steph said she's going to, take up the reins and run with it and keep it alive for when Delin is ready to come back. If I'm wrong, please somebody let me know in the comments that I got my information wrong. But I thought I remembered hearing something like that. Anyway, this project started on January 10th, ends today on December 10th. I'm sad, but basically taking a month off and then we're going to pick it up again next year. This is all about cream products or, well, non-powder products. It originally started as all makeup, but I've noticed as it has come back, people have done non-makeup stuff, which is okay because anything with a high liquid content, of course, is going to go off quicker. So it's important to get those things used up, which is basically the premise of this whole project, is to use up your non-powder stuff before it dries up, goes bad, whatever, because there is a higher risk with any products with a higher moisture content. I do mine all makeup just because that's the way it started, so I kept it that way, and I kind of didn't plan this very well. I will be honest, I did not plan it very well. I did put 1, 2, 3 lip products in here. That probably wasn't smart on my part. It is what it is, but, I do actually have 2 empties for this finale. I'm very excited, especially since both of them were in the intro. Yes, makes me very, very happy. The first one that I was able to finish up was this e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. Like, I can't roll it up anymore. I actually dug it out. It is completely done. It essentially is a clear lip liner. It was, as you can see, much fatter than like a normal lip liner. I did occasionally use it on my lips, but I primarily used it on my eyebrows to give it a little bit of grip for when I put brow powder on. And it actually helped set them down in place because not all brow gels hold as much as I need them to. So a combination of this, the brow powder, and then the brow gel over top, it just really worked for me. Not going to run out and buy another one, but it was a very good combination for me. So I'm happy to have that done. One of the lip products is done. That's always a good thing. I had like a fuzz on my nail. I'm like a dog that sees a squirrel. That's me. The next one. I just finished this. I'm so happy to say. Buxom, this little tiny thing, is finally done. The stopper's been out for months and months. I can still get a little bit out, so I might be able to get like 1 or 2 more uses on it if I really dug in there, and I might do that if I'm feeling like I need a bright lip for a specific day or something. Look, it doesn't even want to come off now. But I feel like I got my money's worth on it, and she done. I'm happy to have her done. That is Wine Me from Buxom. That thing lasted forever. Danny, I don't know how you finished yours, girl, because I really didn't think I was going to get through mine. I didn't. It is what it is. She done now. Good riddance. All right, so I have 2 products left that I was unable to finish. I know at least one is going to go in a project next year. Maybe this one, to see if I can finish it off. Another lip product. This is the Maybelline Color Drama in Strip Down. I was originally weighing it. In the last few updates, my scale's still not working, so I have been bending it over to get my usage, and you can see I have made pretty steady progress on it. I feel like, I don't know if there's an air bubble in there or not. If there is, it's tiny, but that's not a lot of product left. I mean, look at that. That's not a lot. From there to there, I don't think I can finish it before the end of the year. I might continue to work on it I might not. If I don't get a chance to work on it, because there's other lip products and other projects that I need to work on as well, then I probably am going to put this in a project for next year. Like I said, it might be this one, it might be a different one. I don't know, but I have a feeling I'm going to finish working on that next year because it's so close. It would be almost sinful not to get it finished. That's just my thoughts on it anyway. All right, and the last one is the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow in On the Fly. Let me take the lid off of this. I really enjoyed this one a whole lot, but I was panning other shadows that were very similar in color. It doesn't look like there's been a lot of usage, but I ended up flattening it because I find that it dries out slower that way. But you can see here, there's like the tiniest layer. So might work on this next year. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to wait and see because there's a lot of eyeshadow in my future. A lot of eyeshadow in my future. So we will see. Pretty darn sure this one is going to get worked on next year. Jury's out on the fly. I did enjoy it very much, but I have specific goals for next year, and I need to remind myself, don't deviate from those specific goals. And if if those products are going to interfere or conflict with those goals, then I'm gonna back burner them. So this may be a back burner type of thing. I may get into it. I don't know. I promise nothing at this point. If it comes back next year, it's going to be late in the year, and we'll just see how she goes. I promise nothing. All right, definitely go check out Steph and DeLynn down below, and everyone else that has joined in, of course, they're going to be down there as well. And if I have made a mistake in my info, like if you're doing this project or you watch Steph or DeLynn say specifically, no, Jessica, you got your information wrong, we're not coming back next year, let me know down there because this is my brain. This is my brain, and there's a dog hair flying through the air. This is my life. No outfit is complete without a little dog hair, or, you know, in the air too. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because it's getting a little goofy in here, and I got to go make dinner for the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.